I have a vocational qualification in level 4 data analytics. I wanted to do this because primarily I went to university to do a maths degree and it wasn't for me. And this seemed like the perfect route to sort of get into the industry that I wanted to be in.
She doesn't just do the qualification, she doesn't just come into work, she really embraces all the opportunities that are given to her.
Before doing the level 4 in data analytics, I thought I would struggle to get into the Office for National Statistics without having a degree. But doing the vocational qualification allowed me to get my foot in the door.
And I think being able to do degree apprenticeships will really encourage young people to think there is an alternative to going to university and will retain the skills within Wales as well.
After sort of failing my degree, I thought that I wasn't really going to get back into a sort of maths and economics job role, and this qualification has allowed me to do that.
If employers are hesitant about time, cost, I would say just put aside all your fears and really take part in these fantastic schemes that are out there.
I'd like to do the level 6 in data science in September and hopefully progress through the data scientist pathway, and then maybe after that a master's with ONS. Well, let me get my degree first.
When we held our graduation event for the first cohort, I think that has to be one of my proudest days in my career, to see them all not only just gaining those vocational qualifications, they've all got permanent roles and they've all been promoted as well, and that fills my heart with joy.